Hi everybody, Brian Maraska with Operation Barbecue Relief. The sun's shining, it's a beautiful day. Nothing like getting together with your family and your friends in the backyard for summer. Today we got an awesome recipe, one of my favorites. So we have cap of ribeye skewers. So everybody likes a nice juicy ribeye steak. Well, that tender muscle on the top side of that ribeye steak is right here. It's called a cap of a ribeye. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a nice marinade. We're gonna slice these thin, hammer them out so they're nice and thin. Then we're gonna marinate them, put them on skewers, get them on the grill, and then get ready to eat them. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna put our cap of ribeye off to the side. This looks beautiful, nice marble. You see all that white fat in there. That's gonna melt down, give us our flavor, and make it really nice and tender. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. Then we're gonna mix up our marinade. So the first thing I'm gonna add here is a little bit of A1 steak sauce. Then I got some Worcestershire. Some Italian dressing. And some lemon. Really simple but flavorful steak marinade here. So I'm gonna mix it around. All right, now this is finished. It's very simple. Set this off to the side. We're gonna take that cap of ribeye. We're gonna slice it into some nice thin, about ½ inch strips. Your friends are gonna love this in your family. All right. Set that off to the side. Now, we're gonna take these and we're gonna get them a little bit thinner than this. So you can use your fist and just knock them down, or you can use a meat tenderizer. Just like that. You want it just a little bit thinner. We're gonna put these into the marinade. Now that we got it all in the marinade, we're just gonna make sure they get nice and covered here. Get everybody in the pool. All right, we're gonna take this in, we're gonna cover it, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. We want to keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours or more. The longer, the more flavor that gets imparted into here. So I'm gonna go inside. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. All right, so we just got this out of the refrigerator. Let it marinate for a couple hours. Now we're gonna get our skewers, which don't forget, if you're using wooden skewers, put them in water for at least 30 minutes because you don't want them to burn when you get them on the grill. So let me grab a couple skewers. All right, so now we're gonna take our cap of ribeye and we're gonna skewer them kind of in a ribbon format on the skewer. Just like that, spread them out once you get them skewered up. All right, now that we have our skewers, our meat on our skewers, we're gonna take our OBR Texas SPG, our salt, pepper, garlic mixture, and give it a nice coating. All right, now we're gonna wanna spin them over so we can get the backside as well. All right, now we got the grill set to about 400 to 500 degrees. We're gonna put these on. Now, they're not gonna take long. 1 to 2 minutes about each side, and they're gonna be done. You don't wanna overcook the cap because it's so tender already. So we're gonna get these on the grill. to 2 minutes. We're gonna check them and see if we need to flip it. All right, we're gonna give the skewers a little check. Make sure that we're not burning. That was perfect time to turn them, get the other side cooked. We'll come back in a minute or two, check them, see if they're ready to go. All right, we're gonna get ready to check our skewers here one more time. First, I'm gonna get cleaned up. Get ready to plate our skewers. All right, we're gonna get ready to check our skewers. So first thing, I have my thermometer. I'm looking for an internal temperature about 130 to 135 degrees. Now don't forget, when they come off the grill, they're gonna still rise a couple degrees. I'm sitting about 126 to 128. So when they come off the grill, the temperature will rise a couple degrees and they should be perfect. Let me check them now. All right, we're ready to plate. So I'm gonna bring them over, and asparagus is the perfect thing to pair these ribeye cap skewers with. All right, so our ribeye cap skewers are cooked. We got them sitting here with our asparagus, and they're ready to enjoy with your family and friends. Have a great summer, everybody.